Hello everyone, welcome back to another hiring video. And today I'd like to introduce three ESL companies that are hiring without diploma or experience needed. So this is very beginner friendly. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful. So let's get started. So the first on the list is RareJob. So RareJob is one of the Japanese companies, and this company offers a very flexible schedule that is good for full-timers or part-timers tutors. And here you don't need to have a diploma. You just have to be good in English, and the application process is very straightforward. So you just have to register, take the English test, and pass it. So once you passed it, you can have your interview. So once everything is settled, you can now start opening your slots and start teaching. So they don't require experience, ESL experience, but if you have, then it's a plus for them too. Next on the list is WEBLIO. So this one also offers flexible schedule, and this is a work from home opportunity. And they don't require any specific qualifications, so making it perfect for beginners. The application process involves filling out basic form, having an interview to check your audio and video quality, and of course your English skills. So these are the following qualifications. No working experience, must be 18 years old or above, must be computer literate and fluent in both oral and written English. So here are the following things that you should have. Of course, you should have your headset, a noise canceling one, your PC or desktop, a very neat working environment, your stable internet, your schedule, and your tax identification number. And the third on the list is NATIVACAMP. So this is similar to the previous ones. They don't require diploma, and the application process is quick and easy. You just have to fill out an online form, complete the interview and demo, and once approved, you can start teaching and opening your slots. And here are the following things that you should have: laptop with webcam, headset with microphone, at least 18 years old and above, stable internet connection, and latest version of Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you want to apply for these companies, I will just leave the links in our description box and also comment section so you can apply through them. And if you have some questions or clarifications, just leave a comment. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much. Happy teaching!